Hey traders, market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, as you know that some of the biggest things that makes you a successful trader is really learning the art of trade management and really good money management techniques. I've just recorded the video walking through all the steps that's really going to help you. So click on the box above that says trade and money management and to get access to this video right now. Alright, hey traders, hope you're doing well. Happy Monday here in Australia anyway. Happy Sunday overseas. Gonna have a quick look at what the markets did on Friday. I was also trading Saturday morning, but I want to share with you what the markets have been doing, what the bigger picture's saying, and some things that I'm just keeping an eye out for myself. I recently finished doing my analysis, guys. I did my research this morning. What I like to do, guys, is when I'm doing my research, I'll go through all the stocks, S&P, Nasdaq, and the Dow mostly. And then I'll go through that and I'll look for certain patterns that I'm looking for, and that creates a watch list. So lots and lots of movement, lots of stocks are moving, lots of things are happening, guys. So just keep an alert because lots of things are happening. So looking on the Dow Jones, guys, I did a video. If you guys go back, you'll be able to see I did a video here saying there's nothing but buys in control this day, and you can see been up ever since. And I've actually caught quite a nice move off this one, off actually some stock trades that I've done, and you can see in the last few videos that I've done. So what's coming next? What's actually happening now? Well, we definitely go through a sideways movement, and now we're going for a nice run, and we're still running to the high side. There is nothing saying this is going to pull back yet. We have been tapering off with volume as this market's been moving higher. And if I just take all these trend lines off, you can see that we're getting pretty far away from the 52 again. But as you can see through here, that the Dow Jones can just keep rising and rising and rising, and it's not until we start to get some bearish candles, and especially when we start to close below, this is my 10-day moving average, when we start to close below that, it seems to have a change in tune, a change in the actual market. So, but we're not getting that yet. So nothing to be alarmed about, nothing that's saying we should get, nothing saying we're going to get some downside. Again, no one knows what's going to happen, but guys, looking at the charts, nothing is saying that. Looking onto the S&P 500, and just waiting for that to appear. Dow Jones, S&P. Alrighty. S&P is alive. So S&P, guys, S&P is actually getting a lot more volume. S&P is creating a little flat top here, as you can see. If I open this right up, you can see how we're creating a lot of resistance. Actually, let me go to the hourly chart and I can show you what I'm seeing here. So this is the hourly chart on the S&P, and you can see we're creating this whole bunch of resistance. We did it. We had a nice run, went sideways, had a gap up, went sideways. If we break above here again, it looks like it's just going to go for another nice run. So the S&P looks like it's going to be more bullish than the other ones, than the actual Dow Jones. The S&P came down to the 10, as you can see, and bounced off. We're creating a little bit of sideways movement, but that's okay. We can see we're getting an if we do get a blast off and a move up, then that's actually quite a bullish sign. Looking on the Nasdaq, you can see had a little sideways movement, little drop down. It actually opened below my 10-day, and you can see how generally, guys, when the market does move, it generally stays above quite nicely. So if we do start to get a change in tune, we can see how dropping below that, this 10-day moving average definitely is a change of tune, but we're still holding above that. Sort of, and we're basically overall sideways for the whole week, guys, but that's what you can see through there, and you can see that's going on through there. Now let me go and show you what I'm seeing on the longer term charts, guys, the weekly charts. This is something I've been talking about, guys, but I really want to alert you. If I go back over time, and I'm going to use this point through here, you can see this point through here, and I'm going to draw this little box down through there. You can see that was the longest length that was there. It didn't quite get that long there. It didn't quite get that long there. So you can see this one here was the, actually it was just through there, wasn't it? There we go. So you can see that was what I'm doing, guys. Is I'm drawing from what was the furthest that the market actually got away from this 52 moving average. Now, why is that? Because price and time are supposed to be equal. If the market does so much price in a shorter period of time, price needs to catch up. Now that happens in one or actually generally 3 ways. One of 3 ways. If the market runs up, has a big root, it might go sideways. It might just drop down, or it might completely drop down. So, but this here is what we call a time phase. So this is a price phase where the market's making a lot of price, and then time needs to catch up, and that's what happens here when it comes to the market. So you can see how when it does a lot of price in a short period of time, it generally comes back to the 52 moving average. So that's how far it was from there. That's how far it was before it came back to there. That's the exact same length through there, almost the exact same length. That was just a little bit longer through there, just a little bit longer through there. You can see that was basically the exact same length. That was the exact length through there, a lot longer through there. It was a lot longer through there, and now we're getting where we are right now, guys. As you can see, is right now over the last, apart from 2009 when we had this move down here. So basically 2009, what's that? 1, 2, 1. Just call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 years. Over the last 7 years, we are right now on the weekly chart the furthest away from this 52 moving average that has ever been. The furthest. Now, what does that say to you guys? That the market is so stretched, so pushed higher that there's alarm bells ringing off. It doesn't mean the market's going to move, but the reason why I'm saying this, guys, is because I'm actually currently in a few stocks right now where I'm long, and I'm very quick to get out of those if those don't work. I'm going to very quick to get out of those on a stop loss basis. You know what I mean? Like just get out really quickly, because I can see what's happening on the markets, and we're due for a nice pullback, right? As you can see, same with the S&P 500. Look, if I move this away through here, look how far we are. We just ran up, went sideways, and had a nice run up. The party will not continue on forever. Donald Trump keeps talking about how, the market just keeps going up, the market keeps going up. What's he going to say when the market goes down, quite a lot? So, but you can see here that even if we do drop down, guys, right now you can see we're just getting to the top of this overall resistance. Isn't that interesting? I just noticed that. So you can see this overall channel here. This is the channel. This is a resistance. We're basically almost at the resistance now. So maybe this is the week. Maybe this is the week that we start to roll over and we start to have some significant selling. Now, significant selling, guys, just means a decent pullback. I don't mean a crash. Just a nice pullback to maybe down to here for a couple of weeks. And then maybe we bounce back up. I don't know. But we are due for a pullback, and we're pretty far away from that 52. And if we look at the Nasdaq, if the charts appear for me, come on charts, you want to do it. Come on charts, you can do it. Just watch this. We'll see if this market's going to appear for us. But you can see what I'm saying here, guys. As this charts are loading, you can see what I'm saying there, guys, about looking at the overall markets and look what's happening through there. If the market goes down, what do you think gold and silver is going to do? Well, gold and silver, I'm going to do a different video on that. But gold and silver, you can see, is actually broken out. I'll do a different video on that though. Let me actually do this here. Look how far we are away. This thing has just gone up and up and up and up and up. And let me see. There has never been a time apart from... Actually, no, that's a lie. This is the only time from here to here, guys. This whole move from there to there. We did basically 20% move without any pullback at all. And then you can see, we had basically a 50% pullback to the 52. And then we started rallying back up. We had this point through here, right? But we had this point through here, and then we had a little sideways movement. Then we had this point through here. So... about a 33% move. What's this through here? This is about a 16% move. So it's just, as you can see, guys, getting pretty far away from that 52. So I would not be surprised to see if we actually start to see some a pullback happening real soon. So this is the alarm bells that I'm looking at, guys. I have got I've got positions on right now. Some are long positions and some are short positions, as in like some are call options, some are put options. And I'm going to be really, really quick to get out of those long options because of what's happening with these markets. So there we go, guys. Just alarm bells are ringing off for me right now, especially with my own trading. Let's see what happens this week. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to get more free education about trading, then click on the box that says free trading course. This is a free trading course. It goes for around 12 hours long. It's about 12 videos long. Covers everything from chart reading, mindset, trading systems, money management, trade management, everything you need to get yourself ahead in the markets. And if you'd like to get my help personally, then click on the box that says Get John's Help, and you'll be able to see how you can get my help personally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.